such a cutie! What does this crab want from you now? Bad crab! Leave her alone! This non-sweet popcorn again. Whatever, I'm so hungry. Oh! Ouch! That's gotta hurt! Oh, Little Mermaid. My sweet Little Mermaid. I think I'm falling in love.
Hey guys! Today, I'll show you how to make super cute sea candles. We're going to need 3 glasses, some seashells, gel, and these hard candle wicks.
Sue, do you know who lives in a castle under the sea?
A fancy SpongeBob?
No, silly. The Little Mermaid.
Oh, so what?
I can't live without her, that's what!
Good for you. I'll get back to the candles. First, I'll pour some colored sand into the candles. Not too much, or it'll be a sand sculpture instead of a candle. So, let's split it. There. That should be enough. Carefully, and the last one.
Sue, I'm off to live under the sea with the Little Mermaid.
Oh, well, what about Ducky?
Huh? Ducky? What can I say? Unlike me, she is not getting any younger.
Ah, nice one. Actually, I think you have a type now.
What type?
Well, a type of girl you like. All of your loves have something to do with water.
You got a problem with that?
No, it's just weird it's water and not candy.
I can have it both ways. Guys, who likes both the sea and candy? Give a thumbs up.
I also have a few large seashells. I'll place them nicely in each glass. And this spiky one here. Oh, that one's my favorite.
Sue, what should I take with me?
Oh, well, I guess you need a gift.
You're probably right.
Then wait until I'm done with the candles, and you can take one of them.
Oh, wow! Thank you! But only if no slime will be harmed in the process.
Oh, no harm, I promise. Now let's continue to complete the candles with some smaller seashells. I'll pour them right into the glasses, like this.
Let's put candy inside!
Oh, I don't know. It might make the candles worse.
Then put candy in me. It'll only make me better.
Oh, Sammy. Now, let's fill the glasses with this candle gel. It's like transparent toothpaste.
Is there a mermaid gel?
I don't think so, Sammy. Next step will be to melt the gel in the glasses. So I'll take a small pot like this, put the glasses inside one by one, and fill the pot with water. Here, you really have to pay attention, because if the water gets inside the gel, it'll become cloudy. And there.
Oh, Sue, I know that mermaids like candy! Give me a few!
Well, of course they do. Here. Okay, it's been an hour, and the gel is now clear. Let's leave the pot to cool down. Here.
Sue, am I a mermaid dream or what?
Definitely, Sam. Can you even swim?
Don't be silly, of course! And I'll show ya if everyone subscribes!
Hey guys, can you swim? Leave a comment below. Okay, let's see what happened to the candles. They should be cooled by now. Sam, what are you doing?
Well, it just looks so much like Jell-O.
Go, or there will be no present. Let's take these wicks and insert them into the glasses all the way down. Aw, I just wish these bubbles wouldn't pop up. Make sure not to break it, and place it exactly in the middle. It's going really smooth, guys. There. These wicks are so convenient to use. As long as you're careful, it's really easy. Leave a bit of the wick above the surface so we can light up the candles.
Oh, Sue, you are a genius.
Aw, I hope the Little Mermaid will like them. But before you go, say hi to Ducky. You forgot it's her birthday.
Well, if you insist.
Well, guys, did you like our candles? Give us a thumbs up, and if you want to see more of Sam's sea adventures, subscribe to his channel. That's it for today. Bye-bye!
Dear Ducky, happy birthday! Oh my goodness, you are beautiful! You know what? I have a handmade gift for you. Happy birthday! Oh, come on, Sammy. Mermaids! Ducky is the best.